another page. Yes, welcome to my class, everyone. My name is Ramesh. I have 14 plus years of experience as a web developer and a trainer. So here, as a part of the course, I'm going to discuss with you Angular, which is the latest version. Okay, everybody, right? And then after, first of all, I will tell you topics. Okay, everybody. But before that, I will tell you the class related information also. Give me a second. Class related information I will tell. So class days will be daily. Monday to Friday. Saturday, Sunday are holidays. Class timings will be 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Course duration 2 to 3 months. You will get pre-recorded videos with the example files which contains notes. Okay, everyone, kindly respond. Okay, not this live recorded, but you will get pre-recorded videos, same examples, but no need to worry. If anything is changed, any version related changes are there, definitely that videos I will record. That videos I will upload into the Google Drive also. Okay, everyone, kindly respond. Don't be silent.
Yeah. Okay.
And whatever the examples I will teach, that files I will share with you. In that files I will give you the notes also. I'm not a, I don't have this a PDF file because this is a framework. We cannot explain in the material like PDF files, because in order to do a small work also we need to refer at least 2 to 3 files. Sometimes we need to refer 4 to 5 4 to 5 files also. So in that case we cannot explain properly whenever it is whenever in the material like a PDF files. That's why I have decided to share the notes example wise, so that you will get full-fledged knowledge also, theory and practical clearly. Okay, everyone, kindly respond. Hello.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, right. So this is about this. Now I am going to discuss with you the topics. So as a part of the course, first of all, I will discuss with you TypeScript. What is that, everybody? I will discuss with you TypeScript, because Angular developed by using TypeScript language only. So you need to know about the TypeScript. Okay, sir, I don't know about TypeScript. Can I continue? Yes, you definitely are able to continue. If you have any other language, oops concepts also, you are able to continue. Okay, everybody, respond please. If you know any other language, oops concepts also, easily are able to understand. Okay, everyone, TypeScript. But however, I'm going to teach you here TypeScript with the oops concepts. Then after completion of the TypeScript, I will start Angular classes. So first of all, I will tell you Angular introduction, that related installation process very clearly. After installation, we will get a structure, okay, folder structure. So I will explain about the structure clearly. So detailed explain about the Angular structure. Okay, everyone.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Then after I will discuss with you components creation. Sir, why components? Why you need to discuss with me? Like that, somebody will think. So for example, if you are developing an application, entire information you will write in a single page, or else you will divide into multiple pages.
Yeah, we have to divide multiple.
We will divide into multiple pages. So in normal languages, we'll use pages wise, but coming to here, Angular, we'll call it as components. What is it, everybody? Components. So each and every page also a component, and each and every section in that page also a component only. Okay, everyone. So if you want to develop your application by using Angular, we need to divide into components in simple words. So definitely we need to know about components. Easily I will tell you. Okay, everyone.
Yeah.
Right. So why we'll use the components to share, okay, to provide the structure for what? For the data. So Data, how we will do that? With the help of variables only. So variable declarations and data binding in the components. So how to create the components and how to declare the variables and how to assign the data and how to display. Binding means displaying only in that particular components. Okay, right. Then after event bindings, for example, if you click something, if you mouse over something, what happens? So that is called events. So event binding in the components. So that means how to call a function depends upon an event. Okay, everybody?
Yeah.
Right. Others also respond, not only one person. Okay, right. Then after predefined pipes and custom and user defined pipes, custom or user defined pipes, predefined directives, custom or user defined directives. That is also I will discuss with you. Then after routing, child component routing, wildcard entry routing, lazy loading related routing. All these types of routings I will discuss with you. Routing is nothing but navigating from one page to another page. What is that, everybody? Navigating from one page to another page. Clear it, everyone?
Sir.
Right. And then after we have forms. So in the forms, we have two types of forms in the Angular. Template driven forms with validation I will discuss with you. Reactive forms with validation I will discuss with you. And custom validations also I will discuss with you. Okay, everybody? With custom validation also I will discuss with you. Then after custom property, that means input and output. Output means custom event. So input means custom property, output means custom event. Both topics I will discuss with you. Then after guard related concepts, auth guard, interceptors related concepts, services. In order to intercept the service only, we'll use HTTP interceptors only. I will discuss with you very clearly. And then after I will discuss with you CRUD operations by using Angular material. So I will discuss with you Angular material also. With the help of REST API, we will do the CRUD operations. CRUD means what? C stands for create, R stands for retrieve, U stands for update, D stands for delete. This is called CRUD. Okay, everybody? Hello?
Yeah, okay,
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
right.
yes, sir.
So CRUD operations is almost 50% in any application. So I will tell you how to do that CRUD operations by using REST API with the help of Angular material. Then after we'll discuss with you mean stack e-commerce project by using REST API and RxJS. Okay, everybody. Mean stack means what? I'm not going to teach you complete MongoDB, Express.js, yeah, Node.js like that. This is purely Angular course. But whatever the code I will write, related to MongoDB and Express.js, definitely I will explain it to you. Definitely that will be helpful for you in the project level also. In the companies also it will be helpful for you. And extra thing is you will get knowledge about how to combine this Angular with the other server side technologies. Okay, everybody. This is an e-commerce project. That means selling something in the online. It is a food application. So this also depends upon the REST API and RxJS also is involved here. Okay, everyone. Can you respond?
Yeah.
Others also responded. Okay, right. So now I will show you that application so that everybody will create some clear knowledge. Okay, everybody, right. Why? Because somebody will think like that. So does he really teach that application something like that? Or else what is that application will contain like that? So to clarify all your doubts, I am showing this application. See to everybody, mean stack e-commerce project, back end, front end. Back end means MongoDB, Express.js, Node.js related code will be there. Front end means Angular application. So back end we need to start first. If you are not able to understand these comments, no need to worry about that. Whenever I am discussing with you the project, easily you are able to understand. Okay, no need to worry about that. Just observe the project. That's it, everyone. See here, everybody. You are seeing these products, right? So all these products, whatever you are seeing here, those are all coming from the database only. MongoDB database only. Okay, everyone. Kindly respond. How many products you are seeing here? All the products are not coming here statically.
Okay,
They
sir.
are all coming from the MongoDB database. Okay, everybody, right? And if you observe
Okay.
here, there is login functionality is there, and okay, and there is a search functionality is there, and this is a tags. So how many different types of food are there? All the foods I am displaying like a tags. So somebody what they will do, they will check all the foods, they will add to cart. Somebody what they will do, whatever the type of food, somebody have some cravings also. So pizza cravings or else some other non-veg related cravings. So they will search for only that particular type of food only. For example, I am searching for pizza. Observe it, everybody. Pizza. Search. See, this is also coming dynamically, not statically. Everything is coming from the database related queries only. Okay, see it, everyone. How many products we are getting? 8 or else only 3? Respond, everyone. 3 foods or else all the 8 foods we are getting now.
Three.
Why?
Yeah.
Because I searched with pizza. So how many pizzas are there? There is 3 types of pizzas in these 8 products. So we are getting only 3 pizzas. Okay, everyone, right? Somebody what they will do? They don't click. They don't search here. So they will just click on the categories like this. How many types of categories? So our total is 8 foods. In this 8, 6 foods are fast food, 5 are lunch, 3 are pizza, 2 are slow food. Hamburger, soup, fry, burger is each one. Okay, everybody. For example, I am clicking as again pizza. See everybody how much count I am showing here? 3. This is not statical. I am displaying here. All these are all coming dynamically from the database queries only. All these are coming database queries only with count also. Okay, now click on the slow food. How much I am showing here? Count. Respond kindly. How much I am showing here? Count.
2.
2. Now see there. How many foods are coming? 2. See it, everyone. Slow food only. Why slow food? Because it is taking 40 to 50 minutes time. Soup. This is also 20 to 30 minutes time. Meatball. Okay, everyone. Right. So search functionality is there, and this categories functionality also there with the count. Okay, everyone. Right. And then after wait 1 second. This is the cart. I have terminated this. See it, everybody. Cart is empty. Go to home page. Now click there. I am coming to the home page. See it, everyone. Previously cart is 2. Now how many? 0. Now click on this soup. See it, everybody. Whenever I click on this soup, where I am coming? I am coming to the other page. What is the details page? Okay. Now click on the add to cart. Where are we going? To the cart page. And see here, everybody, in the header section, cart is count is updated or not? Respond kindly.
Yeah.
And observe the quantity. I am changing the quantity. See it immediately it is updated here, and here also it is updated immediately. And again come here, home page. Click on this French fries, and again click on the add to cart. See it, everybody. This is the cart items 2 and 1. Total how many? 3. And this is 22. This is 2. 22 plus 2, 24. How much count we are getting? 24. Understand my point? For example, if I click on the remove, see it, it is also changed here dynamically. And see count also updated here 2 only. And again come here. Click on this burger. Again see $27. See there, cart count is now 3. 2 is chicken soup, 1 is hamburger. Clear it, everyone? Hello? Everything is coming dynamical. Okay, right. Now
Yes.
click on, now here observe this checkout. So if I click on the checkout, where should it go? Directly to the checkout page, also login page. Login page. Why? Because I did not log in here. See, that's why it is showing here login. Now click on the checkout. See, where are we going? Directly not to the checkout page. We are going to the login page. What is it, everybody? Login page. Okay, right. Now, so can I log in directly or else I need to register? I need to register only. So now see there, click here to register. Register here. See, this is the register page also there. So registration login functionality, authentication functionality also available. Click on the login. Now right there, Ramesh@gmail.com. Write their password. Okay, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here everyone, which page we are coming now? Checkout page. In the checkout page, what is there? With what name I have registered, same name is coming, Ramesh, and this is my address. And see here everybody, now login is not displaying. It is displaying my name with this logout option also. Okay, right, now click on my find my location. This is the maps functionality also available here. So in the project, I will discuss with you how to work with the maps in the Angular application. See everybody, this is choosing my particular address. Okay, everyone, right. Now click on the go to payment page. So up to here, I will teach you. See it now, you are not able to drag this map. See it everybody, now you are not able to drag this map. Previously you are able to drag, but not right now. And how to keep this PayPal buttons, and how to create a PayPal developer account, all those things I will discuss with you. Up to here, you are not able to payment here. This is a local application, but up to this page, I'm going to teach you. So this is purely real-time work or not? Respond everyone. Payment, PayPal payment is there, and the maps is there. Then after login and authentication functionality is there. Search functionality is there. Checkout functionality is there. The food details page is there. Everything is real-time work or not? Respond everybody.
Yeah.
Okay, everyone. So that's how I will teach you. Okay, everybody. Right. That's it, everyone. Hope everybody understand. Right, everyone? Yeah. So now we are going to the introduction about the Angular. Wait 1 second, I will tell you. Okay, no need to worry. So what is Angular? Or that everybody, what is Angular? So Angular is a MVC structure followed client side framework developed by Google company using TypeScript language. Okay, everyone, what is this? Angular is a MVC structure followed client side framework developed by Google company using TypeScript language only. So now respond everyone, Google is a small company or it's very big company?
It's
Google.
MNC.
It is top 5 companies in the world. What is that, everybody? It is top 5 companies in the world. So since it is a very famous and a very big company, okay, since there is this technology developed by that particular big company, so this technology doesn't end within 1 or 2 years lifespan. Somebody will think that this technology will long last or lot, something that they will think. See, this is developed by a very reputed company only. So definitely you can take it as a career also. So no need to think with whether it will end within 1 or year, 2 years, something like that. Definitely you can take it as your career also. There will be huge support and long time support will be there. Long term support will be there. 50 to 60% of the applications are developing by using Angular or React only. So anyone you can choose, anyone you can learn. So my suggestion is learn is Angular. Okay, everybody, right? So this is developing by Google company. Since it is very big company, definitely you can take it as your career also. And by using which language you have developed? TypeScript only. So each and every framework in the world, which is for software development purpose. Has to develop by using any language only. Has to develop by using any language only. Okay, everybody, right? Sir, why everybody developing frameworks? Why everybody using frameworks to develop their applications? So why? What is your answer? Okay, like that somebody will think. I am asking the same question. So why everybody using frameworks to develop the applications nowadays? Respond everybody. Why everybody using the frameworks to develop the applications? Kindly respond everybody. As per your knowledge, you can respond. Not a problem. As per your knowledge.
Compared to the libraries, framework is a fixed, it's a fixed different structure. A library it won't be certain structure. We can change it, and as a library, we can change it.
Okay, okay, right. Then after Suresh.
Minimize the code.
Okay, right, right. Any other answers?
To avoid boilerplate logic, anything we use the frameworks.
Okay, okay, right. See here, everybody. Right, very good. I appreciate your answers. Now I will tell my own points also. Give me a second. Let me drink water. Yes. Now see here, everyone. When anybody develops any type of application, especially software applications, we need to take care of three things. Okay, everybody, we need to take care of three things. What is that? Security, performance, and SEO friendly URLs. What is that, everybody? Security, performance, and SEO friendly URLs. So we need to take care of three things. So how can we take care? So please God help me. Please give me security. Please give me performance related code. Okay, please give me performance. Please give me SEO friendly URLs. Like that, if you pray for the God, does he give to you? No. What we need to write our own code. So to write that related code, see, application development is nothing but writing the code as per your requirements, right, everyone? So if you choose any core language to write the code, minimum it will take 3 to 6 months time. Depends upon your application size and depends upon your application requirements. Minimum it will take 3 to 6 months time. But if you choose any framework, what happens? Within maximum 2 to 5 minutes only we can download it, and within 10 to 15 minutes we can change the basic configuration related code, and immediately we can write the development related code. So what is the advantage of this framework? It will give say a structure related to security. It will give a basic structure related to security and performance and SEO friendly URLs. But same basic structure, if you want to develop by your own, it will take minimum 3 to 6 months time. Understanding or not? Respond everyone. It will give basic structure related to security, performance, and SEO friendly URLs. Basic structure it will give, and then after you need to improve by yourself, and by your you need to improve according to your application related requirements also. But basic structure it will give. Same basic structure if you want to develop, it will take minimum 3 to 6 months time. Clear or not? Respond everyone. Dinesh Saxena.
Yes.
Okay, right. Gunakar.
It's like
Maya.
it's like a picture of the prerequisite. Which is the common code for all the application, all the during the application which we are developing, it will be given by the framework.
Yes, yes. Okay, right. So, sir, why we need to take care of security? Why we need to take care of the performance? Why we need to take care of SEO friendly errors? If I don't take care, what happens? Like that, somebody will think. For example, you are using PhonePe, any money transaction app, PhonePe, Google Pay, okay, MobiKwik, whatever it may be. So you are transferring 20,000 rupees to your home. You are transferring 20,000 rupees to your home. It is taking only 5 to 10 seconds only. But in that 5 to 10 seconds also, somebody hacked that session. So he theft that 20,000 rupees. Do you use the same application second time to transfer money? That's what everyone. You are using a money transaction app. You are transferring 20,000 rupees to your home. It is taking only 5 to 10 seconds time. But in that 5 to 10 seconds time also, somebody theft that, somebody hacked that session. That person has theft your 20,000 rupees. Do you use the same application second time to transfer money?
No.
Others also respond everyone.
No.
No, sir.
Okay, okay, no, we don't use the same application second time. Okay, everyone, why? Because we are losing the money. Why this is happening? Because of the security. And not only that, what will you do? You will file a complaint about that application also in the cybercrime office. So whoever developed the money transaction app, they will they will lose the users, and not only that, they need to face some legal issues also. For example, if you develop any money transaction app, some user used that, but somebody hacked and that user has lost. Then what happens? Since you are the owner, you will lose the users. That is a drawback for your business. Not only that, whoever lost the money, they will file a complaint also on your application. So you are losing all your users and you are losing your reputation also. Clear it, everybody? Why this is happening? Because of the security. So that's why we need to definitely take care of the security of the application. Clear or not? Respond, everyone.
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Yes.
Okay, right. Then after performance, why we need to take care of performance? For example, you are using YouTube. What is that, everybody? You are using YouTube. So how that YouTube is working very faster or it's very slowly it is working?
Very fast.
Very faster. Okay. For example, there is crores of videos are available in the YouTube. But whenever you search for any particular video, if you search for any tutorial, whatever it may be, immediately that is displaying so many videos. And whatever the video you are liking, whatever the video you wish to watch, that video you are clicking, and immediately it is loading and playing also. So among crores of videos, we are choosing one particular video to play. So among all the videos, it is playing very faster. Since it is working very faster, you are using the application multiple times. For example, you are searching for videos. It is displaying the results after 1 hour. Do you use that application second time? Respond, everybody.
Yeah.
Respond.
No.
No. So after loading 1 hour also, you want to watch one particular movie. That movie is loading 3 hours. It has taken to load the movie. Do you wait there 3 hours?
No.
No. Why it is working very lately? So of course it is very secure, but it is working very lately. So since your application is working very lately, no users will use our application. So irrespective of the number of users are using your application, irrespective of the huge amount of data available in your your application should work very faster. Then only your application can survive in the software industry or else in the world also. Your application should be secure at the same time. It should work very faster. Then only your application will be okay used by the number of users. Clear, everyone? Respond.
Yeah. Should be secure and performance wise should be.
Okay, right. So your application should be secure and it should be perform very well. Okay, very faster also. For example, YouTube is working very faster, Facebook is working very faster, Instagram is working very faster, WhatsApp is working very faster. If the internet is available properly, if the internet is working properly, in the WhatsApp you can send how much big image also, you can send videos also. Okay, everyone, right? Small amount of videos I'm taking. I'm talking. Okay, everybody, right? Since that applications are working very faster, since they are that applications are working very faster, most of the people are using that application. Okay, and then what is that? SEO friendly URLs. For example, you have developed an application that is very secure and it is working very faster also. Okay, that is very secure and it is working very fast also. But nobody knows about that application. Since nobody knows about that application, nobody using. Since nobody using, you are not getting income. Is there any use of the application? Respond, everyone. You have developed an application, nobody using that because of the lack of promotion. Is there any use of application or else do you get income of the application from the application?
Mm.
No,
No, no, definitely you are not able to get any income from that application. Okay, everybody, then what we need to do if you are developing an application, what we need to do? We need to publicize about our application. So if you are developing a software application, where we should publicize our application, online or offline? Respond.
online.
Where? Online only. So if you are doing any offline business also, definitely you should promote in the online only. For example, you are going on a car, you are going inside a car. You have seen some yard like Tanishq Jewelers. What will you do? You will search in the Google or not? Tanishq Jeweler reviews. Tanishq Jewelry is good or bad? Where is Tanishq Jewelers near me? Like that, you will search in the Google or not? Respond everyone.
Yeah.
So Tanishq Jewelers is doing offline business. But where are you searching? In the Google. Where that means what? In the online only. What is Google? Search engine. So whatever you are doing in the world, whatever the business you are doing in the world, whether it is offline business or else online business, that should recognize by the search engines, especially Google. Okay, everybody, that should recognize by the search engines, especially Google. So how it will be recognized? We need to use meta keywords and meta description. Not only that, we need to use titles also properly, and we need to generate SEO friendly related URLs. Was that everybody? SEO friendly related URLs. Sir, I'm a programmer. I don't know about SEO. Of course, you don't know about SEO, but in every company there will be digital marketing team will be there. In the digital marketing team, there will be SEO person. He will tell what type of URLs are useful for our application. So that type of URLs we need to generate through our application. Clear it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, right. So how that code will come? How that will come? By writing the code only. So on these three things, what is that? Security, performance, and SEO friendly URLs. These three things also internal dependent things. For example, we will write the code to develop the application. Okay, but that is not secure. So then what happens? We need to improve the security of the application. Okay, we have improved the security. It is not performing very well. Again, same security standards related code should be like that. But still we need to improve the performance by altering some code. Okay, it is secure and performing very well, but it is not able to generate the SEO friendly URLs. Then what we need to do? According to the SEO friendly URLs, we need to manipulate the structure also. So these three things are interrelated things only. According to that, we need to write our code also. But if you are developing the application by your own, okay, we need to write that code and we need to change this manually. It will take a lot of time. But these frameworks will come with a by default with structure. That structure will support security and performance, and it is able to generate the SEO friendly URLs also. So that's why nowadays everybody using nowadays frameworks to develop the application. Why? In the same day, within half an hour, we can start the application related development. If you choose any core language, it will take minimum 3 to 6 months time. Clear it, everyone? Please respond.
Yeah.
Okay, everybody? Right. And then after what is this? This is a client side technology. What is that, everybody? Client side technology. This is a framework, okay. But what type of framework? Client side or server side? Client side only. In the software industry, how many types of technologies we have? How many types of technologies we have? Two types of technologies we have. What is that? Client side technologies and server side technologies. Okay, everybody? Right. So what is the difference between client side technology and server side technology as per your knowledge? What is the differences between client side technologies and server side technologies?
Client side is nothing but the client who which is able to see and he can able to operate it. Server side is completely backend. A database.
Sorry. Sorry, everyone. Right. Okay. Any other answers? Respond, everybody. Right. Now I will tell my points also. So client, yeah. Right. So client side technologies. By using client side technologies, we cannot store our data permanently. Remember, by using any type of client side technologies, we cannot store our data permanently. We can store our data temporarily. Okay, everybody, we can store our data temporarily. So whenever you want to store the data temporarily, first of all, the data should be available or not. Respond, Ivan. If you want to, if you want to deposit money on your bank account, first of all, what we need to do, we need to have the bank account, and not only that, just because of having the bank account, you don't have crores of money. You need to earn them. In the same way, if you want to store your data, if you want to store data temporarily or permanently, whatever it may be, the data should be available. So when the data will be available, whenever the user enters the data, when the user can enter the data, whenever there is an user interface. What is that, everybody? Whenever there is a user interface. So how to create that user interface? How to create that user interface? By using HTML and CSS. By using HTML, we can create the interface. By using CSS, we can beautify that. Dinesh, put yourself mute. Getting some noise. Yeah. So by using HTML, we can create that interface. By using CSS, we can beautify that interface. Okay, everyone. Right. For example, I have entered the data. Can I do anything? No, you are not able to do anything with that HTML and CSS. We can just create the interface. After entering the data, you cannot do anything. If you want to do something, if you want to store the data temporarily also, if you want to store the data temporarily also, you should use JavaScript only. So by using JavaScript, we can store our data temporarily. This is a client-side technology. HTML and CSS also client-side technologies. By using that, we can create the user interface. After creating the user interface, user can enter the data. After entering data, if you want to store your data temporarily, then we need to use JavaScript. So where you can store the data temporarily in the user's browser. Since you are storing the data in the user's browser, only that particular user can see that particular data only. Only that particular user can see that data. Okay, everyone. Please respond.
Yes.
Okay, right. Then what about server-side technologies? By using server-side technologies, we can store our data permanently. We can store our data permanently. Previously, we cannot store our data permanently. What is that? Client-side technologies. But now we can store our data permanently. Sir, how we can store our data permanently? So if you want to store our data permanently, we need to store the data in a database. What is it, everybody? We need to store the data in a database. Okay, right. So we need to store the data in a database. So whatever the technology you are using, that should have the capacity to connect with the database and to manipulate the database. Those technologies can be called as server-side technologies. Clear or not? Respond, everyone. Those technologies can be
Yes.
called as server-side technologies. What are the examples of server-side technologies? Java, PHP, .NET, Node.js, Python, C, C++. These are all server-side technologies only. For example, by using Java, can we connect with the Oracle or not? Respond, everyone. By using Java, we are able to connect with the Oracle or
Yes.
not? Oracle is what? Database only.
Yes.
By using PHP, we are
Yes.
able to connect with the MySQL. By using Node.js, we are able to connect with the MongoDB. What are they? Okay, database only. Okay, everyone. So the technologies, whatever you are using, that should have the capacity to connect with the database and to manipulate the database. Those technologies can be called as server-side technologies only. Clear it, everyone? Kindly respond. Okay,
Yes.
right. So what are the advantages of storing our data in the database, and how we are able to deal with the data, because it is a client-side technology. Since it is a client-side technology, we are not able to connect with the database. Though you are not able to connect with the database directly, how we are able to deal with the data by using REST APIs, everything tomorrow class I will discuss with you. Okay, everyone. What are the advantages of storing our data in the database? That is also I will discuss with you. And how to deal with the data by using Angular. That is also I will discuss with you by tomorrow. Understanding, everyone? Kindly respond.
Yeah, Ramesh.
Yes.
Ramesh, will you going to explain what's the difference between Angular and the React also?
See, Angular is a framework, React is a library. And Angular developed by TypeScript, React.js developed by JavaScript only. Okay, Dinesh. And
Okay.
Angular internally contains predefined functionality, whereas React.js does not contain any application related functionality that we need to write by our own only. So both are used to develop the application, but Angular little bit bigger in size, whereas React is little bit smaller in size. Okay, Dinesh. But whatever it may be, we can develop any type of application by using Angular or React, whatever it may be.
Oh,
Okay, that there is not that much differences application wise. So whereas development wise, writing the code, that is different. Okay, Dinesh. Application wise, any type of application coming to front end, we can use either Angular or React JS. But most of the other faculties, what they will do, since they are teaching Angular, they boast only about Angular only. Understanding? For example, if I teach React.js, they will boast only about React.js. That's why most of the people are confusing. Okay, Dinesh. So coming to application level, any type of technology we can use, but how you will develop is different. Okay, Dinesh. How you will develop is that is different. Okay, right. Understanding, Dinesh? Yes. Yeah, right. Others also respond, everyone. Clear, right?
Yes.
So that's it, everyone. So today I have explained okay, right, about the introduction, and tomorrow also we'll discuss about the other topics. Okay, everybody. That this is a class for today. Tomorrow we'll meet, we'll continue. Bye everyone. Thank you.